Stop paying for 10 different streaming subscriptions just to watch your favorite movies and live sports. It is frustrating to realize that after spending hundreds of dollars on a Fire Stick and monthly fees, you still cannot find the content you want. You deserve a setup that is fast, reliable, and completely loaded with entertainment without the constant billing. Today, I am showing you how to install the brand new Kodi 21.3 with the famous XENON build. Welcome back to TechVibes. Let us get your Fire Stick fully unlocked right now. The first step is to grab the downloader app from the official Amazon store. This is your primary tool for sideloading. Once you have it, do not open it yet. We need to unlock the secret developer options first. Go to your settings and select My Fire TV. If you do not see the developer menu, click on the About section. Highlight your device name and click the center button on your remote 7 times. A message will pop up saying you are now a developer. Now enter that new menu and turn on ADB debugging and allow install unknown apps for downloader. Open downloader and type in the website address unlinked.link. This will allow you to install the Unlinked app, which is a private app store. Once Unlinked is installed, open it and enter the library code 1234124. Inside this library, you will find the installation file for Kodi 21.3. Download and install Kodi immediately. Here is a secret bonus tip to ensure your Kodi experience is perfect. Your internet provider can often see when you are streaming from third-party builds and may throttle your speed. This leads to that annoying buffering during live games. Always install and connect to a solid VPN like IPVanish before opening Kodi. This hides your activity and ensures you get the maximum speed from your connection. If you are on a 2.4 GHz connection, try moving closer to your router or switching to 5 GHz for a much smoother 4K experience. Now open the brand new Kodi and go to the settings gear. Select System and then Add-ons to enable unknown sources. Next, go to File Manager and click Add Source. Type in the address tinyurls.com/digs123. Name it Digs and head back to the main menu. Go to Add-ons and select Install from Zip file to choose the Digs source. This will install the repository you need for the XENON build. Once the repository is ready, install the Chef Omega wizard from the Program Add-ons section. Open the wizard and select the XENON free build from the list. Let it download and install completely. After it finishes, force close Kodi and clear the app cache in your Fire Stick settings. When you relaunch Kodi, it will be fully loaded with movies, TV shows, and live sports. Taking control of your streaming setup has never been easier. These tools give you the freedom to watch what you want on your own terms. If this guide helped you save money today, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to TechVibes for more practical tech shortcuts and streaming secrets. Comment below and let me know how the XENON build is running on your device. Thanks for watching.